इंद्रदेव शुक्ला हांचो कार्यकाळ सोंपल्या उपरांत गोंयचे नवे पुलीस महासंचालक म्हूण जसपाल सिंग हांची निवड केल्या. ब्रेस्तारा सिंग हांच्यांनी DGP पदाचो ताबो घेतलो. ड्रग्ज वेव्हाराचो पुराय सांपळो आसता. तातूंत स्थानीक तशेंच आंतरराष्ट्रीय गुन्यांवकारांचें देवाण-घेवाण जाता. ड्रग्ज विकप्यांक खबर नासता तांकां कोणें ड्रग्जाचें पाकीट विकलां तें. आमी ड्रग्ज वेवसायांतल्यान निमण्या मनशां मेरेन पावपाचो यत्न करतले म्हूण ह्या वेळार DGP जसपाल सिंग उलयल्यात. RDXGOA खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
It's a privilege to serve Goa Police because Goa Police has highest tradition of professionalism. The force is comparable to the best in the country, and this is my third tenure. I started my career as a assistant superintendent of police, and today I take pride in saying that I have joined today as the Director General of Police, and it goes to the credit of people of Goa, Goa Police, and the Honorable Chief Minister of the state that he has given the opportunity to serve the people of state again. As the days go, I will interact with my officers, understand the dynamics of crime, law and order, and we will try to formulate strategies which are correspondent to the prevention of crime. And Goa is otherwise an iconic tourist state, so it has its own challenges also, because we have to showcase the best aspect of not only the Goan society but also the professionalism of the police. And I, along with my team, will ensure that we put best foot forward and professionalism of Goa is exhibited to the foreigners as well as to the countrymen who come to Goa as tourists. At the same time, traffic has always been uppermost in my mind, because traffic is the area which affects every citizen, everyone, from morning to evening and late in the night also, because people have to go to their workplaces, so they have to reach in time. And at the same time, traffic safety is also very important, because in earlier years there have been number of traffic accident cases. So we'll make sure that after studying the profile of the road, geometry of the road, traffic accident pattern, we will formulate appropriate strategy to ensure that Goan roads are safe. You see, drug trade has a very typical dynamics, and it's a complete chain actually. So sometimes international cartels are involved, sometimes local cartels are involved. So the peddler is not aware who has handed him over the packet, because this trade is conducted by very, very intelligent people. So therefore we will make sure that our police force is able to catch the last person in the chain. But for that we would also require the support of central agencies like National Narcotics Control Board, because they are the national agency in this. We would also seek support of our neighboring states, because unless we join our efforts, unless they cooperate with us or we cooperate with them, so it ultimately is going to be a very joint efforts, because individually it is very difficult to bust an international cartel. So therefore we will ensure that we train our people. Ultimately, unless we are able to reach to the first stage of the supplier, it is very difficult to make a dent on such trend.